So good day. Today I will be doing a return demonstration of bed bath using with my patient. Okay. So first I'm gonna start checking her record if there's any limitation or things that she can do like standing, sitting. That's why we're gonna use this. Okay. As I check the patient record, she is having a hard time sitting or standing. That's why she will be, I'm gonna do the bed bath on her. So first, I will gather all my equipment. So I already gather all my equipment here. The towel, the pitcher, the basin, and the soap that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna close the curtains to give the patient a privacy during my assessment. So first, I'm going to check, I will let my patient check the water if it's okay for her, if it's so hot or the water is cold for her to feel um, comfortable in the water. So, ma'am, can you please check the water temperature? Is it okay? So, now I'm gonna start by washing her, by washing my hands. Okay, I will start by washing her face. So, I'm gonna put this towel in her chest. I'm gonna use this towel. I will not use any soap here to not irritate the patient's face. Okay, I will start from the outside, inside part of the face to the outside, and after that, you will wash the patient's full face. Okay, and then after that, you will wash it with the dry towel. Okay, we're done with her face, and now we're going to wash her hands from side by side. Okay, I will first do this here. Can you put this? I'm gonna put this under the patient's hand and wash a minute. First, gonna rinse the patient with the towel with just a water. Make sure that you clean every fingers also. And then wash it with soap. And then rinse it again with the towel with no soap. And dry it with a dry towel. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side of the patient's bed. I'm gonna put my towel here in front. Okay, first, let's wash the towel with soap. I already put soap here. So now, we're gonna wash it. Make sure also clean the fingers. Let me know if you feel cold now. Okay, now with the wet towel with no soap. And dry it. And we're done in the arms of the patient. So next we will do the same thing in her legs. Okay. And then put the towel. Do the same thing with the towel with a sew. And with her legs. And also clean the finger of the toes. And after that, rinse it with a wet towel. And dry it with a dry towel. And do the same thing on the other side. And next is the patient chest and her back. Okay, I will start doing it from your chest. Okay, I will just expose the small, not super exposed part of her body. Just to make sure that she feels comfortable. And rinse it again with a towel without a soap. And we will gonna dry it with a dry towel. And next is the back of the patient. I'm going to the other side so that you can see. Okay, ma'am, can you please... Now, ma'am, I'm going to turn you from the other side of the bed. Okay? Let's not expose the herm. So, let's just imagine that we're already clean the perineal part of the patient. And I already washed the back part of the patient's back legs. And now for the back of the patient. Just like what we did on the hand and the legs. And rinse it with okay, ma'am, you can now lay back in your position. And after that, we're now gonna do a patient shampooing. And I will gonna dispose this used towel that I already used. So let's put that in the linen bag. So first, for the shampooing, we will need to use a towel, pitcher, and a shampoo. Okay. First, we will gonna put this dry towel on the patient's ulo. another dry towel in her face. So for her to not get dry. So let's just imagine that there is a water here in this picture. So we're gonna pour it here on the top on the hair of the patient, and we're gonna put a shampoo. As we put the shampoo on the patient, we will now gonna massage the hair. And clean it. And after that, after cleaning the hair with the shampoo, let's rinse it again with a water. Okay, we're done. And we're gonna remove this towel and let the hair dry using this dry towel that we put under the patient. Okay, now. And dispose this towel. And we're done. I'm just gonna change the clothes of my patient. Let's just assume that I already changed the patient clothes. And I'm gonna clean the things that I used and wash my hands again. And we'll now dispose all the dirty towels that we use. And we're done. Thank you so much.